shot back in the summer of 2019. So we were luckily already in the can when 2020 rolled around, but it did slow down our post-production quite a bit. I was the editor on the project, and so I was cutting on Premiere at home, basically. When I see the Asian American films that are being greenlit, there's a reason why most of them are set in Asia, or most of them are about some kind of character who's torn between Asia and America. And I think it's because it's the view of the people greenlighting the films. It's a white gaze on the Asian American experience. That experience is an honest one, and I love that those stories are getting told. But there's so much more.
It's really cool to have the opportunity to see people play losers and washouts and burnouts and people who are just lost, for cultural reasons and non-cultural reasons, personal reasons, spiritual reasons. I think it's really important to see that side of us.